Okay, so good afternoon, class, and welcome to our subject systems integration and architecture. So before we start, let's check our attendance. Today is November 4. Kasuga, Jericho Kasuga, absent. Eugenio, Eugenio, Joseph, absent. Lorendo, Lorendo, wala, absent. Gallegos, wala din. Bakit ang daming wala ngayon? Legazpi, Legazpi, absent. Makabitas, wala din. Madriaga, wala. Wala. Mapalo.
Sir.
Kukunti lang ko ngayon na nag-present ka. Kasi, Mikwa, Ortega, Ortega, wala. Padua, wala din. Pascua, absent. Urbano, Urbano, wala. Absent. Daming absent kayo na. Samoranos,
Sir, present.
Alagna,
Sir, present.
Kaasi, Section 1, pala. Kaasi, absent. Cacho,
Present, sir.
Manalo,
Present, sir.
Numos, wala. Orfiano, wala din. And Perez. Perez, wala. Daming absent ngayon na.
Sir, present.
Sino?
Orfiano, sir.
Orfiano, present. Okay, so yung absent ngayon, ang dami. Kasuga, Eugenio, Florendo, Gallegos, Legazpi, Macabitas, Madriaga, Ortega, Padua, Pascua, Urbano, Kaasi, Numos, and Perez. Bakit hindi nila alam na meron tayong synchronous ngayon? Okay, so anyway. Okay, so this week, this is our topic about one of the use case tools, which is the use case diagram. And I also uploaded the references and modules, and as well as the activity. So our activity for this week, you have to identify who are the users of your final project and create a use case diagram that will show the level of access of each user. And then upload your use case diagram here. So yun yung activity ninyo for this week. Okay, so basically the use case diagram is used to show the different access that the user can are authorized to use. So we have here some examples. And so for example, we have the ATM machine. So the customer can check balances, deposit fund, withdraw cash, and then the customer can transfer fund as well as the bank. So the bank has all the access dito. So the bank can check balance, deposit, withdraw, transfer funds, maintenance, and repair. And then we have another user, which is the technical. So the technical can only access the maintenance part and the repair part. Okay, so this is an example of a use case diagram. And then don't forget the name of your system dito sa taas. Okay, so and based from other references, we have the objects. We have the basic 4 objects of use case diagram. So we have the actor, yung user, and then we have the use case, and then we have the system. Yung use case ay ito yung ano yung features na kaya niyang gawin sa system. And then we have the system, which is yung rectangle. Dito niyo ilalagay yung title of your system. And then your package, if in case. But basically, ito lang tatlong ginagamit. We have the actor, the use case, and then we have the system. Yan. So nandito din sa reference natin, how to identify your actor, how to identify the use cases, yung features of your system. And then when to use the include, how to use the generalization, and when to use the extend. So nandito naman yung mga examples natin ng mga use case diagram. And then another example of the use case diagram, UML. Basically, ito yung karamihan na ginagamit, the UML use case diagram. Ayan. So we have the actor, we have the system, yung rectangle. So for example, online shopping system. And then we have the use cases. Ito na yung features or functions ng system. The system can view the items, the system can make purchase, complete checkout, and then log in. And then we have different users. So for example, here we have the customer, we have the PayPal, credit payment service, identify provider, and authentication. Ito yung mga users, different users. So this is another example of a web use case diagram. So we have two users. We have the site user and then we have the webmaster. So the site user can search documents, full text. The site user can browse documents, can view events, can log in, can upload. And then for the webmaster, can upload documents, post new events to homepage, and add user. So ito yung mga level of access niya. Yan. Mostly ito yung ginagamit nila, yung simple lang. Publish a story system. So marami tayo dito mga examples in our reference. Yun lang. And by the way, the deadline of our activity for this week will be November 8. And let me remind you our activities. Yan, meron pang hindi nag-comply, hindi nag-submit, si Urbano, Ortega, Padua, Eugenio, Macabitas, and Legazpi. Legazpi meron na. Bakit nandun? Hindi siya nag-turn in. Pag nag-submit kayo, dapat i-turn in nyo And for example, si Legazpi, nag-submit siya, yun nga lang, hindi siya nag-turn in. Kaya nandun siya sa baba. And then your final project. By the way, your final project, medyo madami ata itong kwan. Supposedly, ang deadline niya is November 1. Tapos na. And meron pang 6 na hindi nag-submit. Si Eugenio, Legazpi, Manalo, Mikwa, Padua, Urbano. Florendo, Perez, and Kaasi. Florendo, sino pa? Perez.
Sir, present.
Perez and
Present.
Kaasi. Tapos si Numus. Kasuga. Kasuga meron? Wala. Eugenio. Wala din. Gallegos. Wala. Legazpi. Macabitas. Madriaga. Wala. Ortega. Bakit maraming absent ngayon? Padua.
Sir, baka di nila alam na may klase.
Oo. Wala naman lang pan eh. Nung Monday, hindi tayo nag-meet ng Monday kasi holiday yun. Teka lang. May sinabi pa kung this week. Baka meron ako sinabing this week.
Siya may sinabi ka ata kahapon na parang hindi na tayo mag-meet bukas, ganun.
Oo. Pero sa con yun, I mean sa application development, IT18 yun. Kasi sa IT18 na-meet ko na kayo kahapon. Pero yung IT17, hindi ko pa kayo na-meet. So, kaya kailangan kong i-meet kayo ngayon. Ayo, baka nagulo. Nagulo siguro. IT18 yung tinutukoy ko kahapon. IT18. Oo. Anyway, nakakuha naman na dito. Nakapost naman na dito yung call natin. Yung activities natin. And, yeah. Yung regarding dun sa final project natin. Sa bagay, pwede din, nilagay ko na lang to sa kung ninyo. Final, parang ito na yung final activities. Pero meron pang hindi mga nakapag-submit. Kasi probably by next week, I'll be giving you your grade. Next week, bibigyan na ako ng grade. So, ibig sabihin, pag hindi nyo natapos yung mga activities, automatic 0.
Sir, present.
Sino?
Makabitas, sir.
Makapitas.
Mabili na walang pasok.
Sa IT18 yun. IT17 meron.
Sir, present daw sabi ni Wilmer. Nag-chat siya.
Wilmer. Saan si Wilmer? Yun, Pasqua. Sino pa? Ayan, present. Okay, so yun lang. Ano ba yung kwan? Tignan ko muna yung section 2. IT17, section 2. November 1 din yung deadline nila, tapos na. Meron din hindi pa nakapag-submit. Half ng klase hindi pa nag-submit. Sa inyo, 6 lang.
Sir, di naman kailangan na may kumpleto na yung design, di ba?
Yung hindi pa.
Kahit ano lang, no? Kahit yung mga initial lang.
Basta meron akong makita na read, update, delete,
Basta
create,
may CRUD.
at database connection, okay na yun, CRUD. Meron ako nakitang CRUD, okay na siya. For the meantime. Okay? Hindi pa naman to, parang tentative pa lang naman to. And then later on, magkakaroon tayo mga updates. Okay? Yun lang. So, any question? Any question? Wala na? Tahimik na lahat. Okay, so I think wala na kayong question. So, if you don't have any questions, so see you next week. Wala naman na ng holiday next week. So, mag-meet na tayo by Monday. Okay? Class, nandyan ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir!
Kala ko nakatulog na kayo. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, so see you next week.